guys, welcome back to my channel. So I hear this concealer makeup look is going viral. I guess the girls don't want to wear makeup like that. I thought this was a look that we used in the summertime, but I guess, I don't know, it's part of the clean girl aesthetic. So I decided to show you guys my part on the concealer makeup trend. If you're the kind of person who doesn't like to wear makeup, then this video will be perfect for you. So let's get into it. Starting off with the usual MAC Studio Moisture. For a primer today, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Power Grip. Kosas eyebrow pencil. Hourglass Maple. So now we're doing concealer makeup, right? So with this concealer trend, they're putting concealer literally all over their face and saying they don't do foundation, when actuality, that is the foundation, the concealer. So I am going to do this as if I'm a mom, right? And I just want to go pick up the kids real quick and I want to look cute and decent. That's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to put some concealer under my eye. Put some concealer above my lip. And some skin tone concealer and any dark spots. Small dark spot.
One, two, three.
Alright, so I'm gonna blend this out with my beauty blender. Just gonna blend out the concealer with my beauty blender all the way out on each side. You can use a brush if you would like to, but I'm just gonna stick with my beauty blender. Concealer is always going to give you full coverage depending on what kind of concealer you use, so I'm pretty sure this is why this look works so much. It's always going to give you full coverage. I'm just going to put my Born This Way in golden beige for a little brightening on top, just a little. I'm also going to put, I could have put more concealer. I'm also gonna do my bronzer. This is my Rare Beauty concealer in the shade 520W. It's called the Concealer Corrector. Use my Fenty foundation brush. So blend that out. I'm gonna do my nose contour with the same concealer, but I'm just gonna put it on the back of my hand, and I'm gonna put this Morphe E27 in it. Also underneath my chin. Just take it right on the crease of my eye. I'm gonna use Juvia's Place Liquid Blush in the shade Barbie Dream. Okay, is it Barbie? I'm gonna make it up. Barbie Dreams. It's called Barbie Rose. Not Barbie Dreams. Nicki Minaj. And you know you only need 2 dots of that. And I'm going to blend it out with my 130 brush from MAC. I'm gonna blend out the lighter concealer now. I just love this concealer. So now I'm just setting my under eye with C4 MAC Studio Powder. You guys know I do this before I go in with my setting powder. I want to try something a little different. I got this Sasha Buttercup. I didn't just get it, I've been had it, but I stopped using it. And I only stopped using it because I got loads of other powders per usual. So let's see. Sasha Buttercup. See if I still love it. Oh, I think I had got this, but at the same time I had got the Laura Mercier honey powder, and then I got addicted to that, and I didn't want to stop using it, so I put this one to the side and moved on with my life. And now let's see if she can come back. Let's see if she can come back out of retirement. To set my face, I'm going to use my my Bare Minerals Bare Pro setting powder in Latte 24. And it's gonna go all over. I'm pretty sure I was probably supposed to set my face in between, but I didn't. It's okay. Let's do my MAC Studio powder in NW40. Let's try NW40. I mean, NW50. Yeah, NW50. It's a little cute. Let's do the same to our nose. Same powder for the nose. Actually really love this powder for the nose right now. I'm gonna have to hang up my caramel cutie. That is really cute. All right, for the blush, let's keep the same color story going. We're gonna take Dragon Fruit Days, is this? No, Watermelon Bliss from House Labs. The eyes, I'm just gonna use a random brown. Let's take a brown from here. Let's use this one. And this is my Patrick Ta Dimension 3 palette. I'm gonna dust off the bake with my Jacqueline Cosmetics brightening powder, which I now hear is about to be discontinued. So I'm about to go try to find one, or try to find. Do you guys know a different brightening powder I can use? Because I love this one. And now, since she will be no longer, I need to find a new one. I'm kind of looking very much so powdery, so I'm going to spray my face now. I'm going to use the Revolution Super Fix spray. What the hell? And then for hair, it's just, I had to get them braids out, but this hair is not it either. All right, of course my camera died for the millionth time. So now let's do lips. Actually, should I put this pink underneath my eye? Or am I doing too much? Should I just leave it? Let's do the lips and then figure out if we're gonna put this pink underneath my eye. Anyway, let's do lips. Baby Girl liner from Remedy by Ari. Alright, this is Myth by MAC. Yeah. Money Talk by Remedy by Ari, just to make this make sense. I don't even know if she still has this color, honestly. Let's grab that pink with a pencil brush. Alright guys, so this is the finished concealer, no foundation look. Do you guys like it? Would you wear this look? If you would, leave me a comment down below. Tell me if you tried it or if this is something that you already do. Yeah, I like it. Like, basically it just looks like a regular face with concealer. I can see like my forehead and down here is a little different, but I like it. It's not something that I would do every day because I am a full coverage girly and I don't want to kick up a whole bunch of concealer on my face. I'd rather use the foundation. So that's just my opinion. Leave your opinions down below. See you in the next one. Later.